This is the main problem of electric cars. Welcome to a new episode of Green Lab Pride, your green energy channel. Electric cars are cool. They are simpler machines than conventional cars, they need less maintenance, they are much more efficient, and of course, they are much more eco-friendly. But even with all these advantages, we are still surrounded by diesel and petrol cars, and if you want to go electric, there are just not many options. So what is the problem? Perhaps automotive and oil industries are conspiring in order to maintain you dependent on fossil fuels. Highly probable. The main issue is energy density, which is the amount of energy contained in a certain volume. Or we can talk about also specific energy, which is the amount of energy contained per unit of mass. This is a normal AA size rechargeable nickel metal hydride battery with 1.2 volts and 2100 mAh of capacity. So it stores around 8.64 kilojoules of energy. We also have a lithium-ion battery used for a drone, the same type that electric vehicles use, with 3.5 volts and 500 mAh of capacity, storing 6.3 kilojoules of energy. But then you have this. Here you have fuel, plastics, asphalt and other stuff. This is crude oil, the black gold. From this you can get this, gasoline. This 10 milliliters of gasoline has around 30 kilojoules of energy in it. To have a better idea of what we're talking about, we're going to make a comparison. To have the same amount of energy stored in this nickel hydride battery, which weighs 27 grams, we need 1.4 of this lithium battery weighing 20 grams, and only this amount of gasoline, which weighs around 2 grams. And to equal the amount of energy contained in 10 milliliters of gasoline, you would need 3.5 of these nickel batteries weighing 94.5 grams and 4.8 of these lithium batteries with a total weight of 70.5 grams. So you can see the enormous advantage that gasoline has in this point. Another advantage of gasoline is that you can store it in a simple container, like this cap. In the case of a battery, which is actually the energy container, it is a far more complex storage device than a cap or a gas tank. A gas tank, you can fill it in around a minute or two. A battery, it's hours. But don't worry, technology is improving and also possible new solutions are appearing, like hydrogen fuel cells that could solve the energy density problem or just better batteries. And as technology advances, more practical alternatives to internal combustion engine appear, and hopefully we will reduce carbon emissions in time to avoid the apocalypse. Thank you for watching this video. Push the like button, subscribe to the channel. My name is David and we will see you in the next episode of Green Lab Pride, your green energy channel.